If you have ever laughed at the antics of Elon Musk or the shocking sick burns by Wendy's on Twitter, you have become aware of their online brand. With more and more social aspects being done online, there are lots of ways to grow your online brand. Number 1. Creating content through blog posts and social media. We all know the power social media has in today's times. A well-written tweet or a video on Facebook can drive a lot of clicks, but how do you get seen at first? Make yourself as easy to find as possible. Make sure you have links to your social media and share your blogs on social media. Use consistent names. If someone sees your tweet, they should be able to find you on Instagram with the same name. Engage. The bare minimum is to respond to anyone who mentions you. Whether it be a review or making your customer feel heard, it all makes your brand look like it is listening, which makes it feel alive. Taking part in your field makes you look more like an expert, while discussing other topics and engaging in other types of conversations will color your brand with personality. This is easier said than done, because there are many fine lines, so err on the side of caution. Number 2. Closely follow your competitors' online tactics. What are they saying? What type of content are they producing? Of that content, what is popular and what is not? Where are areas they are weak in? Consistently asking yourself these questions and observing what is happening around you will give you context of what your brand needs to be doing. Knowing the content that is being made prevents you from wasting your time making similar possible inferior content. Knowing what aspects they choose to ignore can allow you to focus and possibly take the market share in that category. Number 3. Steal your online brand from the best. Good artists borrow, great artists steal. This was a favorite quote of Steve Jobs, and for good reason. There will always be limitations of your brand or business, whether it is not having enough resources for a dedicated research department, or you are at a loss to even where to start in branding. If you are facing any limitations, we say steal. Number 4. Consistency among all platforms. When you're writing content and building a brand through social media, blog posts, and videos, there are a lot of platforms to use, and we are sure there will be several members of your team working on this. To come across with a clear voice among all channels will only solidify your brand. Therefore, consistency is key. Number 5. Lean into what is working. You can read different articles about branding until you're blue in the face. You can try to implement all the strategies you ever hear about, but what will matter is what is working. Using data and looking at the numbers, you will see what works specifically for your brand. In today's time, everything can be tracked, measured, and given a numerical value. Use the power of data to show you where exactly you should invest your time to build your brand. Even the most creative and intuitive business owners should follow numbers. Even more so, they should use the numbers as a goal to reach and to be thinking of the KPIs that should be surpassed. In conclusion, you should be creating content, following your competitors, steal, be consistent, and lean into what is working. Thank you for watching.